Ciao, today we are making a burrata cheeseboard. Let's start with washing the tomatoes, then let's cut them in half and add them to a bowl. Now we're going to add extra virgin olive oil and sea salt. Next, let's wash and finely cut fresh basil and add it to that bowl. Give it a good mix and set it aside for later. Next, let's wash the fruit. I find that serving the grapes in small bunches and slicing the apricot makes it easier for guests to serve themselves. Now let's slice up the baguette in about 1/2 inch thick pieces. Now for the assembly of the burrata board. Let's start with the burrata cheese. Drain the burrata cheese from the liquid and add it to the top of the board. Leave some space underneath for later for when we cut into the burrata. Next, let's add the grapes and sliced apricots on either side of the burrata cheese. Now let's add the prosciutto on the middle bottom part of the board. Next, let's add that tomato salad we made earlier to the left bottom side of the board. Next, let's add roasted red peppers to the right bottom side of the board. You can make your own or you can buy them already roasted in a jar. I like to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on top and add a few fresh basil leaves. Let's add that bread we sliced earlier to the top of the board. And now for the best part, cutting into the burrata. Look at that creamy center, delicious. Let's grab a piece of bread and start eating. Buon appetito!